Alrighty, so I wanted to come on and leave a quick video. Callie says hi. And he's asleep. And Hobbs is. Oh, this is from the YouTube channel. And Hobbs is there snuggling, and we are laying in bed watching Tumbleleaf before bed. Super cute show. Which, if any of you guys have kids and are looking for a super cute show, Tumbleleaf. It is great. It's probably one of the only shows that I actually really like for kids. It's very magical. So, came up tonight, a great example, because some of you guys were asking me about truth being subjective, and to elaborate on that a little more, and my daughter helped me come up with the most perfect example tonight.
To your what?
You still have hiccups?
What?
I haven't heard you hiccup.
What?
I haven't heard you hiccup. We might have to lay here for a minute and see. Are they gone?
Maybe Sister in the Bushes did help me.
I think Sister in the Bushes helped you. So, for those of you, Sister in the Bushes is that inner voice, your higher self, your guidance system, your intuition, your sixth sense, your knowing, your just all the beautiful things. So that leads me into the most perfect example of truth being subjective. So while laying here, my daughter had hiccups, and she was like, "Mommy, how do I get rid of them? It doesn't work to drink water like for you." And so it brought up such a good example. When I talk about truth being subjective, when you get the hiccups, everybody has their own way that they swear by. They swear it works. Oh, this works. Oh, no, this works. No, this. Yes, and yes. And they all work for the right person, because we are all individual, and what is my truth and what works for me might not be your truth and what works for you. So for me, like with the hiccups, I swear by drinking water out of a glass backwards. I don't know who taught me it. I don't know where it came from. But if I have the hiccups and I do want to get rid of them, I just drink water from a glass backwards. My daughter's like, "How do you even..." So you like hold it, and then you drink from the side that's away from you, and you tip forward and pour it that way. And I can't show you, like all the way, but hopefully that kind of makes sense. Every time gets rid of them. Some people swear by holding their breath. Some people swear by being scared. And so we tried a couple of those, and it absolutely did not work at all. And then, she's laying there frustrated. I was like, wait a second. Why am I trying to give her her answer, her truth? So I told her to just ask her sister in the bushes. And Callie, what did your sister in the bushes tell you?
Punch yourself and wait until you have your hiccup.
Wait, punch yourself where?
Right on the belly button.
Okay, like that. And then wait until you have your hiccup, and then what?
And then after the hiccup, you take your and then you take your fist off and stop punching yourself.
Huh. So that compression of the abdomen for her got rid of her hiccups. And I think that is beautiful. I think that is great. And so I just wanted to come on here and share, because I think I'd given you guys the example of the ice, the rest ice compression elevation that then, then there was this um oh my gosh, I'm tired. Research article that came out, study that came out saying, in baseball players saying, no, ice is bad. It stints healing, it delays it, it slows it, it stops blood flow and good stuff from getting in the area. And then all my jujitsu, Muay Thai, all my rock climbing, all my athletes freaked out and they were like, oh my gosh, like, have I been doing damage to myself this whole time? And then me being like, look, does it feel good when you apply ice to your injury? Yes? Okay, then keep doing it. No? Are you like me and you hate ice? Then don't do it. Use heat. Try something else. Try massage. Try, something else instead. Wrapping it. Compression. And don't freak out if it's the opposite in heat. That helps you. And it's just like this. It's okay if one thing isn't your truth. Something else is. And just checking in with your own intuition. And your intuition will always tell you. Your sister or brother in the bushes. Alright guys, I love you and I hope that you are having a fantastic day or night yourself.